First of all, go to the EC2 console. View your running instances, find your instance, and ensure it has tags. You could use a backup tag for this. Next, go to the AWS backup console. Click Manage Backup Plans and then Create Backup Plan. Choose Build a new plan and give it a name. You can leave the rest of the values default or change if you wish. You should create a new backup vault and give it a descriptive name. It would be wise to encrypt this vault using KMS. Under the Resource Assignments section, click Assign Resource. You should give this a descriptive name. You can then enter your tags, key, and values. Any resources that have this combination will be part of this backup plan. That's it! Your services will now automatically back up. To follow the latest AWS features, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.